Creating and sharing client-specific dashboards in SuiteDash can be a game changer for your business. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step, showing you just how simple and efficient this process can be. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might suit your needs even better with some exclusive free trial offers for you. First off, let's dive into creating a client-specific dashboard. When you're logged into SuiteDash, you'll notice that creating custom dashboards is relatively straightforward, but it's not always intuitive at first glance. You'll need to head over to the Clients tab to begin. From here, you can either create a new dashboard or customize an existing one. Next thing, to start a new dashboard, just click on Create New Dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose from a template or start from scratch. SuiteDash gives you a range of templates tailored to different types of clients, which can help save you time. But if you prefer, you can choose a blank slate and customize it entirely to suit your client's specific needs. Once you've created your dashboard, the next thing to do is customize it. SuiteDash allows you to add various widgets, including file uploads, task lists, notes, calendar events, and even invoicing details. The flexibility here is key. Each client can have a completely personalized view of their projects, financials, and timelines. You can drag and drop to arrange widgets, ensuring that the most critical information is front and center. The fourth thing, sharing the dashboard with your client. This is where SuiteDash stands out. It's incredibly easy. All you have to do is click the Share button, choose which client you want to share it with, and adjust their access level. You can set the dashboard to read only or give them the ability to edit specific areas. This makes it a secure and dynamic option, as you retain full control over what they can see and do. Now, let's talk about the visibility settings. You can control exactly who sees what and make your dashboards private or shared only with specific users. If you're working with a team, SuiteDash also allows you to control internal user access to dashboards, ensuring that sensitive information is only shared with the right people. It's about keeping things streamlined and secure. Lastly, while SuiteDash has great features, there are some drawbacks. One of the most common criticisms is that it can feel a bit clunky when managing multiple dashboards for different clients. The interface isn't always the smoothest, and it may take some time to get used to navigating all the options. It's certainly powerful, but don't expect everything to be intuitive right out of the gate. That being said, we've found some amazing alternatives that might be better for this specific goal, creating and sharing client-specific dashboards. These tools not only provide similar features, but often do it with a more user-friendly interface and enhanced customization options. Stick around to check them out, as I've got some exclusive extended free trials and benefits just for you through the link in the description. To sum it up, SuiteDash offers solid functionality for creating client-specific dashboards, but as with any software, there are areas for improvement. Whether you're just starting with SuiteDash or looking for something more intuitive, the alternatives I'll mention offer free trials and could be exactly what you need. Use the link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive perks for our viewers.